Hello race fans, welcome back to the RhythmnSmoke Racing channel. I am your host, RhythmnSmoke, aka Mr. 81. And we're back at the RhythmnSmoke Racing garage, about to do an assessment on the race car. I just got it loaded up on the trailer. We're about to head over to the body shop. We're going to go over there, get an estimate to see how much it's going to cost to get the uprated support done. We got the race car already loaded up on the trailer, so we ready to roll out. Let's get over to the shop and see how much it's going to run us and get this repair done. Alright, so we just arrived at the body shop. Let's get in here and see what the estimate is going to be. This tank slapped at Road Atlanta also, but I'm not worried about getting that fixed. I just want the upper radiator support. Let's go ahead and check out and see what the estimate is going to be. But yeah, so upper radiator support is redone. I'm not sure what, like,
it's all bad.
Yeah, so that part, you know, that's going to have to be spec'd and looked at. And that's pretty much what I need right now.
Yeah, the mess really, well, it's bent on both sides where the shock tires are. I'm just going to give you a rough guess, because until we start working on it and find out exactly where it's all bent and how it's bent, will determine how long we got to spend on the frame machine on it.
Okay.
Just a guess. Probably 1,500.
Okay.
And I'm just throwing the number out.
Okay.
But that's us not taking nothing off, not putting nothing back on.
Right.
That's just us pulling it, crossing it out, measuring it, and getting it pretty square.
Okay.
And just seeing what we can do.
All right.
Do you have a rebar?
No, I actually removed the rebar because of the intercooler.
Okay.
So I don't need one of those to go back in. Well, guys, that's a wrap on. We're back at the garage, and that's a wrap on today's video. As you heard, $1,500. So I got a budget between $1,500 and $2,500 to get the upper radiator support nice and square, to make sure the frame is nice and straight, and get everything all squared away. But that's the goal. That's the project. That's what we're doing, and it's gonna be a minute before I get there. I still have to have surgery on my clutch foot, and that's coming up soon, and the doctor says it's going to take about 2 weeks. I can't put any weight on it for about 2 weeks after surgery, and then probably slow progression on putting weight on it after that, and then I'll be able to get back on the track. So maybe, hopefully, the timing will work out just right to where, you know, the body shop will be nice and freed up to be able to work on the car by the time I get, you know, nice and recovered. And we'll be ready to rock and roll. So that's my time for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, keep the shiny side up and rub side down. Peace.